Okay, this is an update to the original video, Hernia Hope, that I posted a while back, and I'll have a link to the first video. You should really watch it, and then you'll understand what some of this stuff in this update is all about. Okay, I wanted to make a video, an update video to the original video, the Hernia Hope video, where I show how I cured my hernia. So what I've done since then is, if you remember, well, I'll put a link to that original video in the description. You should watch that one. But in there I mentioned that I put these weights on. These are actually ankle weights. I put one on each arm. So I go out and run, and then I come back and lay on my bed and do the exercises that cure this. So I'm laying on the bed, right? And in the original video, like, this is my body, and then here's my legs. You know, you do your legs lifts. Aren't I a great drawer? So you lift your legs, and that exercises these special muscles down here where the hernia is. Now what I've added is, I used to just, lay my head on a pillow while I'm doing this, but what I've added is, now that I have these weights, I take your arms and I raise them up, okay, and they have the weights on them, and then I'll bend up a little bit, so I'm actually, like this, to where my head's off the bed, my legs are raised, and I have my arms behind me with these weights on it. Now, you can start out, I don't know if you can do that right away, but you can, raise your arms behind you and provide extra weight, and then lift your head up so that you're actually putting a lot of work on these muscles here. And so that helps. And I do it for a count of initial 17 seconds now. Do the lifts and the crunch 17 seconds. Then I go 57 seconds. Just hold it isometric. And then I go another 17 seconds. And that's how I do that. And that puts a lot more stress on that muscle, and it helps them grow faster and get strong faster. Also, I didn't really mention this, but in the earlier video, but let's say this is your torso looking down from the top, and you have your belt, right, and your tennis ball right here. People can't tell that you have a tennis ball in there, okay? It's absolutely invisible, so don't worry about, some kind of big bulge sticking out or something. It doesn't, okay? So hopefully you'll get past the belt and you won't have to wear it anymore. And what else? I guess that's it. Yeah, this is just an update. So, check out the site, check out the original video, and this is how you cure these things. And if you can, join our little community. We've got a little community. It's discussion where we can share information and support each other and all that. It's like $7 a month, and it just helps pay for the server and that kind of stuff. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good rest of the President's Day weekend. Onward and upward. Hernia Hope. Probably should have put that at the beginning. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.